Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the calculator implementation by using MSP430 microcontroller. Okay, MSP430 microcontroller. So this video is for the educational purpose, right? So this video is for the educational purpose only. So here you can see a calculator is implemented by using MSP430 F1121 microcontroller. So you can see this is the microcontroller MSP430, right? And this is 20 pin microcontroller, right? And here you can see we have 4x4 keypad, that is 4 row and 4 column. You can see 1 2 3 4 column and 1 2 3 4 row, right? So here we have 4x4 keypad, right? And you can see here we have alphanumeric LCD display. Okay, and you can see this 4x4 keypad is interfaced with the microcontroller. So one section it is directly driven by the microcontroller, while in other section like the output of this 4x4 keypad is interfaced with Tristate buffer IC, that is 74HC241. This is Tristate buffer IC, and the output of this Tristate buffer IC is connected to the microcontroller. That means once the key is pressed, the microcontroller detects digital input signal, right? Here you can see the pull-up is connected. The value for this pull-up is 10K. Once you press here any key, a digital logic low level signal appears at the buffer input, and the same will appears at the microcontroller digital input pin, right? So this is the interface of keypad to microcontroller. And then you can see here we have alphanumeric LCD, that okay. So the first pin of this LCD is like VSS, the second pin is VDD, then VEE, then this is RS pin, this is read write pin, this is enable pin, and then we have D0 to D7, the data pin, right? So hope you understand the circuit now. Now I will run the simulation and I will show you the operation of this calculator which is implemented here, right? So let me run the simulation here. You can see here the button which is run button. So just click it here. Once you click it here, you can see your LCD is turned on, right? You can see here your LCD is turned on. That means if you press any button here, that will show in your LCD. Let us give a try. Let us say if you want to add 12 plus 12. So 1 to 12 plus 1 to 12. So you can see here the 12 written here. If you press equal now here, this is equal, you can get 12 plus 12 which is equals to 24. If you minus something from 24 minus 12, you should get again 12, right? So you can see you have got again 12. If you multiply by 12 into 12, this time your output would be 144. So you can see your output is 144. If you divide 144 by 12, again your output is 12, right? If you divide 12 by 0 here, let us say it is your output is error, it is showing some error. So this is basically a calculation for the decimal value. For the decimal value, now we will use floating point calculation, right? Now we will use the floating point calculation, like if you want to add 12.12 plus 12.12, you should get 24.24. so here you can see you are getting 24.24, and after the decimal you are getting 246 digit. Okay, so this MSP430 also do the floating point calculation, and it gives the output up to the 3 digit of the decimal, right? Okay, so hope you understand the interface of MSP430, keypad interface of MSP430, and how a calculator can be implemented by using MSP430. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.